A screwdriver set is an essential toolkit for anyone who enjoys DIY projects, electronics repair, or simply handling everyday household tasks. Imagine trying to fix a wobbly chair, tighten loose screws on your glasses, or open up the back of a gadget. Each task requires a different type of screwdriver, and that's where a set becomes invaluable. Screwdriver sets typically include a variety of head types, such as Phillips, flathead, Torx, and sometimes even specialty bits for more unique screw designs. Each type is crafted to perfectly fit a certain kind of screw, ensuring you have the right tool for the job, whether it's a delicate, tiny screw on a wristwatch or a heavy-duty screw in a piece of furniture. Having these various options at hand means you're always prepared, avoiding that frustrating moment when a mismatched tool strips the screw or damages the material. But it's not just about having different screw heads. A quality screwdriver set is designed for comfort and precision. Many modern sets come with ergonomically designed handles that reduce hand strain, making long tasks easier and more enjoyable. Some even feature magnetic tips, helping you keep screws in place. No more dropping tiny screws in hard-to-reach places. The materials used, like hardened steel, ensure durability, allowing your screwdriver set to last for years. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or someone who just likes to tinker around the house, owning a screwdriver set gives you the versatility and control to tackle a wide range of projects with confidence and ease.